The best thing about my course is that I learn a lot of different things, all from like sculpting, designing, makeup, like all of it. And I get to like be my own boss, kind of. You get an assessment and what to do, but I get to like go through all the process, and I have amazing teachers who help me along the way. And yeah, it just feels like it's all mine, and I get to develop the way I want.
The best thing about my course is that you get to learn how to be versatile, and you learn how to step out your comfort zone as much as possible. So I've learned how to be going from stage 1 of me to probably stage 5 of me, where I've learned the new talents that I never thought I had in the past.
Facilities, very great. Like we have access to a bunch of different rooms that are like specific for the stuff that we do, and they're filled with different equipment that makes things easier. And also the fact that we can use them after hours is very nice. So we can all like get together and work there for hours together. And also, yeah, the photography studios. We get proper pictures of everything we do, and it just looks more professional.
Facilities are actually amazing because in college I never knew about all the facilities that you could be open to until I got to Solent University, and the facilities are amazing, up to a great standard, and I've had a ball with them since I've been here, and I can't wait to carry it out into 3rd year.
I think that the course is helping me to prepare for my future career by just teaching me how to be independent, and also like how to contact people, how to build my portfolio and do as good work as possible. And also they're telling me about what's important for me to know. And yeah, and also like because there's a bunch of different courses here, you have more courses to collaborate with, like film and fashion, and yeah, like I get a broader network.
It's prepared me a lot to be not just in the deep end, but in the very, very, very deep end, where you have to think about your ideas on the spot, and it kind of opens up a gateway or an avenue into you as a person, not just your talents.
The design process, I'm like opening my mind a bit more and not getting stuck on one idea, but drawing and experimenting and failing a lot. Now I can actually think that, okay, I failed, but I learned something. So I think that's the most important part.
I really enjoyed like the makeup application and all the moulding and sculpting, because I've never had the opportunity to do that in the past, and I've learned, especially today and in other lessons, that there's other talents to me that are yet to be discovered on the course, and that's what I appreciate the most about the lecturers and the course itself.